how's it going? We're here at DCT Tuning. My buddy just got his Shelby done. And they had a couple minutes to spare, so we're gonna throw mine on the dyno just to make sure everything's okay after I had some O2 sensor issues and some belt slip issues. So I just want to make sure that my boost pressure is back where it should be and everything's running good. Shout out to guys at DCT. Thanks for everything today. Thanks for squeezing me in. Thanks for tuning my buddy's car. We're leaving here with over 1,500 to the wheels between the both of us. Great day. Thanks a lot. Talk to you guys later. Bye.